In this video, I will show you how to highlight dates of the current month in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of transaction amounts and dates in these columns. I also have today's date in the E3 cell for reference. Now I want to highlight the transaction dates of the current month, that is January 2026. To do that, I will use the Excel text function. The text function converts a number to text in the specified format. This function accepts two arguments, a number to convert to text and the format of the output. Since we want the current month and year, I will use the format YY to convert a date to a 2-digit month followed by a 4-digit year number. For example, this text formula will return 012026 by converting the date 15th January 2026, and this text formula will return the text 12/2025 where 12 is the month number of December followed by the year number 2025. Once we get the month and year number from the date, I will compare it with the month and year number of today's date. If they are the same, then the date is in the current month, otherwise it is not. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the Conditional Formatting option and then select the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula to compare the month and year of the date stored in the first cell C3 to the month and year of today's date obtained using the today function. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the date values. I am going to choose the light green color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the date is in the current month. Click the OK button to close the Conditional Formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the matching date values are now highlighted in the light green color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, so if we modify any highlighted date to a date in some other month, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any other date to a date of the current month, it will be highlighted in a light green color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the dates again. Now click the Conditional Formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting rule from the selected date cells, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the date cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.